Hello. 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 ಹಾ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ?
ಹಾ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಹಾ, ಅದೇ ಮೈಕ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ಕೆಜಿ ಇದು ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಏನೋ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
ಹಾ ಹಾ,
ಅದೇನೋ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು
ಹೌದಾ?
ಆಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದೇ 325 ಅಂತ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಂಡೆ.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ 2 ದಿವಸ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಅದು
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಯಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನೀವು ಕಿವಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇದಷ್ಟೇ. ಹಾ, ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. Now, actually, have you studied this 11th statistics book?
11th ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್
ಓದಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಅಂತ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ.
ಓದಿದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಬರೀ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ ನಾನು, there are a lot of things you have to learn before going to the 12th topic. So anyway, we'll try to cover something more so that we'll be able to go through the regular lesson of the 12th. Now, what is sample space? Any idea?
No, sir.
Okay. See, set of all possible outcomes of an experiment is known as the sample space.
Yes, sir.
Set of all possible outcomes of an experiment. Now, what is the experiment? You have any idea?
Maybe the outcomes.
Experiment is what?
Experiment. Don't know, sir.
If we do experiment, then only the outcome of the experiment will be there. That is the result produced. So yes, here sir, examples are flip of a fair coin. That is the experiment. So outcome will be head or tail. But
so there will be 8 outcomes.
Yeah, but in some picture, in the picture, a person was always taking decision based on the flipping of a coin. And one time when it was a serious time,
Yes, sir.
when he flipped the coin, what happened was it went into a grove and stood vertical. At that time, he was caught by the enemy group.
Yes, sir.
So we will not assume that kind of a thing to happen. So under natural conditions, a fair coin means it is identical in both the sides
Yes, sir.
in terms of the weight, distribution of the mass, etc., which is generally not possible in practice.
Yes, sir.
So if at all we imagine that there is a fair coin, then if we keep on flipping it for 1,000 times,
Yes, sir.
so it is possible you will get 500 heads and 500 tails. That is a fair coin. Similarly, rolling a fair dice. The dice is also written as die also in the book. Alternatively, both are used. So this is nothing but a cube on the faces of which either numbers are written or some dots are placed.
Yes, sir.
So if there are dots, there will be 1 to 6 dots. Numbers means 1 to 6 numbers will be there. And on all the 6 faces, each face one number, like that.
Yes, sir.
Now, you see, this is the head and tail of a coin. Now, you see, it is not exactly identical in distribution of the mass, etc., because the shape, position, where material is extra, etc., is slightly different. Therefore, this coin exactly will not give 50% heads and 50% tail. Maybe
Yes, sir.
near about it may give, like that. So generally, this type is called as a head surface, and this is called as the tail surface.
Yes, sir.
Now we will use some type of symbols to indicate what is head and what is tail. It is because mathematics is full of abbreviations. We don't want to write long words. So we write H for indicating head and T for indicating the tail side of the coin. So if we have a fair coin, the expected outcome H as well as T, that is head or tail, they have equal chances of occurring. That means particularly when we flip the coin
Yes, sir.
for large number of times, 50% of the time we get the head and 50% of the time we get the tail. So then only it is called a fair coin.
Yeah.
When a fair coin is flipped more number of times, see it will only 10 or 5, you will not get the idea. About 50% of outcome will be head, and hence 50% of the outcome will be tail.
Yes, sir.
Unfair coin. So unfair coin means we will not have expected outcome equal chances of occurring of head and tail. There will be unequal chances. When an unfair coin is flipped more number of times, 50% of outcome will not be head, and therefore 50% of outcomes will not be tail.
Yes, sir.
Now here we use the term called probability. So this is something like expected value of appearing of the result of H or T, like that. That is probability of H to occur is, since it is 50% equal chances, we write it as half. Instead of half in decimal number, we may write it as 0.5 also. And 0.5 means it is 50%. Now, probability of the T to occur is also same thing as that. So that is half, therefore 0.5 or 50%, like that. Similarly, rolling a fair die is also a experiment, and outcome of this can be one of the numbers 1 to 6. So this is a particularly shaped die with the rounded surfaces, etc., because he has used the word rolling the die. Flipping the coin is the name used for coin. Here it is rolling the die. So it will roll easily. Therefore, these surfaces are made curved like that. So this has got dots. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some other cases, it may be numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 written also. That also will be available. So fair die on rolling lands with its top surface showing one of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. That means here also we assume that the dice always comes to rest so that its flat surface is on the horizontal surface of the ground, and we always see the top face there like that. So each one has got equal chances of appearing, particularly when it is rolled large number of times. So fair die, the expected outcome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, each has equal chances of occurring. That means one is not having more preference than the other.
Yes, sir.
When fair die is rolled more number of times, so like 1000 times like that, each number 1, 2, 3 or 5, 6 appear on top surface of the dice is having a chance of 1 by 6 here.
Yes, sir.
In case of the coin, there are 2 surfaces only, so 1 by 2 was there. Here there are 6 surfaces, 6 digits are there, or 6 numbers, so it is 1 by 6 equal chance. 1 by 6 in decimal, if you write, it becomes like 0.16666 will continue. So I have rounded to third decimal place here. So if it is multiplied by 100, you get 16.67. That means in percentage wise, 16.67%, each number will be appearing. So one also has got 16.67%. Second one is also 16.67%. Like that, 6 also will have 16.67% because all have equal chances of occurring when it is called as a fair die or dice. So unfair die means equal chances will not be there. So therefore, that kind of things should not be used. But
Yes,
as
sir.
you see, this fair die what we saw also, it is not exactly of the same type on all the faces. So one place only one mark is there, another place 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. So
Yes, sir.
this is something like an actual one, not a theoretically fair one. But probably the results are nearer to that 1/6. Exactly 1/6 may not come. That's all.
Yes, sir.
So probability of the number 1 appearing when you roll a dice, how much it will be, you think? Number 1,
Probability of
what is its chances of occurring when I roll a die? Number 1 coming.
maybe 1 by
Yeah, tell me.
1 by 6, 1 by 2,
1 by 6 only.
1 by 3,
No.
1 by
It
6.
is 1 by 6 only because 1 is on one
There are
surface. There are 6 surfaces. So all of them have got the equal chances of occurring. Therefore, the probability of occurring is 1 by 6. Okay. Now, what is the probability of 2 occurring?
2 by 6.
No, no, no. It is also 1 by 6 because all of them have got equal chances.
Ah,
There is
Yeah.
no preference because number is this different. There is no additional preference for that.
yes, sir.
What about 3?
1 by 6.
3 is also 1 by 6. 4 also will have the 1
1
by
by
6. 5 also 1 by 6. 6 also 1 by 6. So all the numbers which come on top surface of the die when rolled, they have equal chances of 1 by 6 there. Now, here is a experiment, that is a problem that is given. A fire die is rolled 1200 times. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
results are noted down. Each time what was the number coming like that. Now, what is the result of rolling the die 1200 times?
Yes,
So
sir.
that one, the expected number of times the number 5 comes up on top surface of the dice is about how much, how to calculate. The probability of number 5 occurring on the top surface is 1 by 6. Is it not?
Yes,
But
sir.
the die is rolled 1200 times. So 1 by 6 multiplied by 1200, it is nothing but 1200 divided by 6.
Yes, sir.
So that becomes 200 times it becomes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this type of thing will be there. See, 1 by 6 is the probability of occurring, but 1200 times you have rolled the die. So in all probability, 200 times you can expect number 5 to come up on the top surface.
Yes, sir.
So now a fair die is rolled 1200 times. The expected number of times the even numbers 2, 4, 6 coming up on top surface of the dice is about how many times?
The expected number of times the even
That
number
is
2.
we don't want 1, 3, 5. We want only 2, 4, 6 to come. So how many times will be 2, 4, 6 appearing?
1 by 6.
Either 2, either 4 or 6. Any of these can appear.
Yes, sir.
So how do you calculate number of times 2, 4, 6 appearing on the top surface?
Top surface 2 or 4 or 6. Then we can calculate it by 2 by. Should calculate it by 1 by 6 and then we
Yeah.
can tell that.
Two types of calculations we can do. One is we did earlier in a previous problem. In 1200 times, number 5 was occurring 200 times because probability of 5 occurring is 1 by 6 and multiplied by 1200 gave us 200.
Yes, sir.
Now, similarly, number 2 will be 1 by 6 of 1200. Number 4 also 1 by 6 of 1200. Number 6 also 1 by 6 of 1200. So 200, 200, 200, it will become 600. Like that we can do. Alternatively, probability of number 2 coming is 1 by 6.
Yes, sir.
4 also 1 by 6. 6 also 1 by 6. So we can add them. So 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, if we add, taking LCM, it will become 3 by 6 or it is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is 0.5 or 50%. So we have rolled the die 1200 times. So 50% of that will be
2.
600. You're able to follow?
Yes, sir.
So either we can add the probabilities, then calculate how many times it comes, or find out individually each one is coming how many times and add, it will also become 600.
Yes, sir.
Because previous problem, there was only one die and we calculated it can occur 200 times only, when 1200 times it was rolled.
Yes, sir.
This you are able to follow? Now, a fair die is rolled 1200 times. Now, what is the outcome? So here, if we wanted only odd numbers to come on the top surface, that is 1, 3, or 5, then how many times the die will show 1, 3, 5 on the top surface?
First, you should calculate it with 1.
Illa, you have to speak to the mic, otherwise I will not hear.
Hello. Are you able to hear, sir?
Mic, you put it, that wire, put in the, on the ear you put one round.
1 minute.
The one side you put the wire one loop on your ear, so that the mic comes nearer.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
So number 135 comes up on top surface. What is the expected number of times when it is rolled 1200 times?
Yes, sir. First, we should calculate it with 1 plus 6 into 600. 1 by 6 into 600.
No, I'm not hearing your mic problem, See,
Hello?
problem was fair die is rolled 1200 times. Now we are expecting how many times only number 1 or only 3 or only 5 will come up on top surface when it was rolled 1200 times.
Yes, sir.
How much will it come?
When we roll upon top surface,
Ah,
uh, we should calculate it 3 times.
how do you do?
Sir, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6
Ah,
plus 1 by 6 into 1600. Sorry.
ah, ah,
600.
no.
Into 1200.
Ah,
Yeah.
see, whether 2, 4 or 5, 6 or 1, 3 or 5, they have equal chances.
Yes, sir.
So this also we can do two methods. One is first one 1 by 6 into 1200 plus
Yes, sir.
3 is also 1 by 6 into 1200. Then 5 also 1 by 6 into this. That is 200 plus 200 plus 200, 600 will come. Otherwise, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, if you calculate, it will become again half, which is 0.5 or 50%. That means 50% of the number of times we are rolling the dice, 135 will occur, and another 50 times, 50%, 2, 4, 6 will come.
Yeah.
It will not depend on this number that is used here,
Yes, sir.
because each number has equal chance of appearing as the top surface when die is rolled large number of times. That is why here he has given 1200 times as an example.
Yes, sir.
Now we will do a different problem. Toss a coin 3 times. That is, coin is only one. Now we will, when we use the dice, he will call it as rolling the die. In case of coin, it is called flip the coin or toss a coin. Like that, they will use the words. So
Yes, sir.
toss a coin 3 times. So each time you will get either head or tail. So if you do 3 times, what are the sequences that you can get? You'll be able to write down. Can you write down
The
these things? The 3 times what they can show?
Yes, sir. H, H, H,
Ah.
H, H.
You write all the varieties. On the paper, you write all the varieties. You can tell orally when writing so that I can listen whether it is right or wrong.
H, H, H.
Ah,
H, T, H.
ah,
T, H, H.
ah,
H, H, T.
ah,
H, T, T.
ah,
T, H, T.
ah,
And then T, T, T.
ah.
Then T, T, H.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you count how many combinations of sequence are there, it is how many? 8. It has come 8. So these are the 8. Only thing is, in writing, if you use some pattern, it will be very easy. Confusion will not be there.
Yes, sir.
So first is CHHH. You change the last position only. So H will become T.
Yeah.
Next time, the second position you make T, but this one will again start with H and T. So therefore, HT means there is H and then T. Next time, the third one will be made as T, but these two we have to again start from the original HH.
Yes, sir.
So then the rightmost will change it to T, and therefore this will remain same thing only. Next time we have to change the second one to T, but the rightmost one will become again H and then T. So that sequence, if you remember, it is easy to write in that particular order.
Yes, sir.
So you have to practice that. So once or twice, then you will get the idea correctly. Afterwards, in any such problem, we'll be able to write in the same order instead of randomly writing which is coming, which is not coming, like that.
Yeah.
So this is called the sample space. That is all possible outcomes of an experiment. That is the sample space. So it is written in this notation. This is called the set notation.
Yes, sir.
So S is one set of all expected results or outcomes on
What, sir?
flipping a single coin 3 times. These are the sequences.
Sir,
which
I'm
we
not
can-
audible.
You should get this. My audio system is fine. You're not listening?
Sir, once again, sir, can you repeat it?
See, S is called set of all possible outcomes of the experiment.
Yes,
The
sir.
experiment in this case is a single coin. We have tossed or flipped 3 times.
Yes, sir.
So first time, second time, third time is one set. Again, first,
Yeah.
second, third, another set. Like that. 1 minute, some phone call is there.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, this I am actually in a class. You can call me at around 9:30. Okay. Okay. So these are the possible outcomes. So we have to note down same coil. First time tossing we got this. Second time, third time. Fourth time is was like this. Fifth, sixth. Seventh time, eighth time, ninth time. Like that. So we got these 8 patterns are there. So 8 into 3, 24 times. So
Yes, sir.
we have flipped or tossed the coin 24 times
Yeah.
totally. Now, the expected outcome we indicate by the letter E. So the expected number of times each sequence, that means this is one sequence, this is another sequence, this is another sequence, another sequence. Like that, there are 8 sequences are there. Each of the sequence comes up on top surface of the coins.
Yes, sir.
So how many number of times each sequence comes? Any idea?
How many times of
E is called expected number of times.
expected out?
Huh?
Expected number of times.
Expected number of times or probable number of times. Probability of the sequence is one of these sequences coming is how much you can write.
The expected outcomes.
So here is a, this is one sequence of outcome
Yes,
of the
sir.
first experiment where coin is tossed 3 times. This is the second sequence, third sequence,
sir.
fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Now,
Yes, sir.
this coin is a fair coin, we can assume. So therefore, here there are 8 such combinations of sequences are there.
Yes, sir.
So each one must occur with equal importance. So totally there are 8 sequences. So each one can occur 1/8 time.
Yes, sir.
So 1/8 for this, 1/8 for this, 1/8 for this, like that. So that 1/8, when you write in decimal, it becomes 0.125. So multiply
Yes,
by
sir.
100, it is written as 12.5%.
Yeah.
So total is 100%. Here, 8 variety of sequences are there. So each sequence has got equal chances of coming up. Therefore, each one comes 12.5%.
Yes, sir.
Totally, when you add up for 8, it will become 100% or 1. So if it is 100%, we call it as 1.0. That means this has to be 1 only.
Yeah.
This will be 1, totally 1 only. So now the same question, we want to find the expected number of times the sequence HHH comes up on the top surface of the coin.
Yes, sir.
So how many times it will come?
HHH. One time.
1 time only. That means what is the probability?
1/8.
Correct. So 1/8 or 0.125. or
Yes, sir.
12.5%.
Yes, sir.
Now, next problem, same thing. Find the expected number of times the sequence TTT comes up on the surface of the coins.
Yes, sir.
What is the probability or expected number of times it can come?
TTT one time, sir.
One time only. So therefore, it is also probability is
1
1
by
by
8.
8 or 0.25 or
12.5.
12.5%. Now we will do another problem. What is the expected number of times which is represented by A? The head appears at least thrice on top surface of the coin.
Yes, sir.
This language, what they have used, we have to understand, and then only we can understand. So he says head H appears at least 3 times.
Yes, sir.
So then how many such times it can occur here in the same
The
experiment?
head appears at least thrice on top of the coins is 8 times.
1
No,
8.
7 times.
No. 1 8. 1 by 8 only.
Yeah. Sorry.
Because
The
each
expected.
sequence has got
Yeah.
1 by 8 as the expected number of times. So it is 1 by 8 or 0.12, 5 or 12.5%. So the words they are using, we have to carefully observe and try to understand what that person is writing the question.
Yes, sir.
So now in the same problem, find the expected number of times the tail T appears at least thrice on the surface of the coin.
Yes, sir.
How many times it can come?
1 by 8.
1 by 8, correct. Now, find the expected number of times the head appears at least twice on the top surface of the coin.
At least twice.
Ah.
1 by 8.
No. Everything will not be 1 by 8. You have to understand the problem correctly. Language
1
what
minute,
is
sir.
used.
I'll learn it.
So what is the meaning
Number
of
times the
at
head
least
appears
twice on the surface of the coin
on
appearing?
top surface of the coins is at least twice. The expected number of times the head appears at least twice on top surface of the coins. 2 by 8, sir.
No.
So then 2 h thrice it occurs. Thrice 1 by 8 is twice. Sir, it comes in expected number of times that it appears at least.
Here that language you have to understand. Then only we can write the answers. So what you are understanding by this problem, reading like this, that is given.
Sir, if the expected number of times the head appears at least twice on top surface of the coins, if
Ah.
it occurs on the top surface of the coins,
Yeah,
it's the head
at
which
least twice.
symbolizes the coin.
At least twice means?
At least twice. It comes at least twice. Sir, I'm not getting it, sir.
Yeah. So here at least twice means minimum is 2, but it
Yeah.
can come more number of times also. So if you see here, first there is 3H coming. Second one, there is 2H. So this becomes at least 2 is there. Then
Yes, sir.
this is also having 2H. So this is also at least 2. Now this is not coming because here there are 2 T's. So this one THH, there are 2H coming. So at least 2H is this one. So these things do not have the at least 2H. So at least when the word is used,
4
it
by
is
8.
it is minimum 2, but more can be there. This
Yeah.
is the least value that is given. It can occur more number of times. So what happens? There are 3 here and 1 here. So actually 4 times it will happen. You're able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here each one has got equal chance of appearing. 3H has got 1 chance, but 2H there are 3 such chances of 1 by 8. So if you add all of them, it becomes 4 by 8. That means it is half or 0.5 or 50%. You're able to follow?
Yes, sir.
So like that, the language you have to understand, then you can answer this type of
Yes, sir.
problems.
Yeah.
Now, in the same thing, find the expected number of times the tail T appears at least twice on top surface of the coin.
4 by 8, sir, again.
It is because at least twice. So
Yeah.
2 T's are a must. Here 2T, 2T, and here there is 2T. But we can have more number of T's than 2. So this also becomes 4 by 8, therefore 50%. Now same thing, find the expected number of times the head appears at least once on
Sir,
the top
7
surface
by
of the
8.
coin. Huh?
7 by 8.
7 by 8, because except the TTT,
TTT, everything has the head.
everything has got at least 1 H is there, but more can be there. So it becomes 7 by 8. So that is 875 or 87.5%. Now find the expected number of times tail T appears at least once
7 by
on top
8,
surface
sir.
of the coin.
7 by 8.
It is also 7 by 8. Only this HHH doesn't have the
HHH.
T. All others have 1 or more T's.
Yeah.
Find the expected number of times the head appears at most thrice on the top surface of the coin.
Sir, 1 by 8.
No, here now the word language you have to understand. Head H
Number of times
appears
the head appears
at most thrice. That means it can be less than that. When they use as
So
at least, minimum is there.
it
but
can be more than
in this case, at
or
most
less than.
means maximum it can be that much, but lower than that it can be there.
So this will be also considered as 7 by 8, sir.
This is also 7 by 8 because at most thrice. So it can include twice as well as single one also it can include. Now, same problem, find the expected number of times the tail T appears at most thrice.
7 by 8.
Because except this first one, all other there are T's. At most means that is maximum.
Yes, sir.
But we can have less than that, which can be 2 or 1. So this is also 7 by 8, therefore 87.5%. Now find the expected number of times head appears at most twice on top surface of the coin.
Expected number of times the head
Ah.
appears at most twice on top surface of the coins is twice. So even this is 7/8, sir.
No. What is the language telling?
Twice. Yeah, I got it, sir.
Ah.
1, 2, 3. So 3/8, sir.
No.
Sir, 1 minute.
Read the problem
The
because
expected number of times the head appears at most twice on top surface of the coins. 1/8. Sir, 1/8, sir.
no.
Sir, if it comes twice on the top, at most.
At
it will be
most
least
twice. So it can come less than twice.
less than twice.
At most means it is the maximum.
Sir, 7/8.
No.
Sir, then how can we do it?
See,
It can
at
come
most,
lesser also, and how
see,
it's
at
not
most
considered.
twice it is there. At most twice means we cannot take the 3 times. Head H appears at most twice. So HH we cannot take because it H appears 3 times.
6
and-
times.
Huh?
6/8.
Because it can be less than 2 times.
Yes, sir.
Less than 2 times means it can be 1 time also. So the language words what they use. When they use at most, what is given is maximum number of times. But it can include lowers also. When they say at least, minimum should be that, but higher values can be also there.
Yes,
Like
sir.
that. So this will become 1/6
Yeah.
into 6. That means 1/8 into this 6 times. So 6/8 or 3/4 or 75%.
Yeah.
Now find the expected number of times the tail T appears at most twice
6/8.
on surface of the thing. It is also
6/8.
6/8 only because we cannot take the TTT and we cannot take the HHS because it doesn't contain the T at all. So
Yes, sir.
1T or 2T, they are to be included. So it will becomes 6/8 or 3/4. Find the expected number of times the head H appears at most once on top surface of the coin.
It can be more than one also.
How? What is the word used?
Sir, at most once on top surface of the coins.
At most means
At most means
we
it
cannot
can be
have,
more. It can be more or less.
it
Less.
cannot be more,
It can be lesser.
it can be less.
What? Yeah. 1, 2.
But what is less? Less is not there.
Sir, 1/8.
See, head appears at most once.
It can be lesser.
Once means it cannot be 2, it cannot be 3.
Means
So-
it cannot be 0/.
No, 0 will not come. 0 is not the outcome.
Sir, but
0 means you are not flipping the coin at all.
one-
See, H is coming here.
3
H
3
is
or
coming-
2 it can't be, sir.
H is coming here. See, this is 1, this
Two.
is 1. Similarly, there is 1 here.
3.
So 3 of them are there. So expected number of times head appears at most once is 3/8. It is 0.375 or 37.5%.
Yes, sir.
Then same problem, find the expected number of times the tail T appears at most once on top surface of the coin.
The expected number of times the tail T appears at most. So 1, 2, 3, sir.
It is also 3 times. So 3 by 8 or 37.5%.
Yes, sir.
Now toss a coin 3 times, record the number of heads and number of tails.
Yes, sir.
Now without giving attention to what sequence they occur, then the sample space is. That means 3 times we will flip the coin and note down, not like first H, next this one, like that. We will only note down how many heads and how many tails out of the three experiments we have done. So if you write like that, what will be the sample space? When the sequence was written, we got
Yes,
the
sir.
8 times.
Yes, sir.
Now sequence we are not going to write. We will write how many heads and how many tails.
Yes, sir.
Then what will be the sample space?
Yes, sir.
Can you write?
Sir, experiment toss a coin 3.
Try. If you don't get, I will tell you, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Because these problems, whatever is given words and sentences, we have to understand what the question paper setter is setting there, what is in his mind.
Yes, sir.
So understanding his language and understanding that one problem, that is what is important. So here the coin is tossed 3 times. We just note down each of the three times how many heads and how many tails have come, and we don't note down the order in which they have appeared. That is, first was what was that, second what was that, third was, we are not noting down. In total, out of the 3 times, how many heads and how many tails, only we note down. Then what will be the sample space? How do you write the sample space?
Sir, 7 heads and 2 tails.
No. See, sample space,
Sir,
how do you write? We write S is equal to,
S is equal to.
within the flower bracket, we try
Yes,
to
sir.
write what will be the outcome. We only write down
H.
how many heads and how many tails have come, and not the sequence in which they have appeared. See, 3 times tossing is one experiment. In each experiment, how many head and how many tails are there?
Sir, 12 heads and 12 tails.
No. Okay. See, here we can get only 4 different sequences.
I got it.
That is, we can have all the 3 heads can come, or all the 3 tails can come.
6 by 6.
Then here it can be 2 heads and 1 tail, or 1 head and 2 tail. See, 3 heads, 2 heads and 1 time, 1 head 2 times, and all the tails. So only 4 possibilities are there.
Yes, sir.
Whereas if you wrote the order in which they were appearing,
Yes, sir.
first I gave you a particular sequence of writing, If you write that sequence, then we are trying to write all possible sequence of the head and tail coming in that experiments. Now, without giving that order, if you write, it becomes like this.
Yes, sir.
Now you can tell what is the probability of HHH appearing in this type of a experiment.
Toss a coin 3 times. Sir, without we should write the equation, right, sir? What you say? Numeral, sir.
Say a coin is tossed 3 times.
Yeah.
The number of heads and number of tails are recorded. How we recorded? Without giving attention to what sequence they
What
have
sequence
occurred.
they occur?
Then sample space, we found that these are the only 4 possibilities. Now you have to find what is the probability or expected number of heads. All of them coming thrice. HHH, that sequence is coming.
Sir,
What is the
one,
huh?
1 by 6.
How?
Sir, because the edges are they are totally 6, sir.
No. See, experiment is what you have done earlier, same experiment we are doing.
Toss a coin 3 times.
We have a coin, it is tossed 3 times. Now results we note down here.
HHH,
But
HHT, HTT.
But in writing this result, we will not note down in what sequence they have appeared, but we only note down how many heads and how many tails.
6 heads and 6 tails will
So
come.
one time there was 3 heads came. One time there were 3 tails came.
3 tails come.
And one time there is HHT has come here, 2 heads and 1 tail, and 1 head and 2 tails. This is what we are recording.
Yeah.
But experiment is what we have done earlier only. So what is the expected value of number of times or probability of HHH occurring in this experiment?
HHH occurring in this application.
In this experiment.
This experiment. Sir, HHH will occur 1 time, sir.
So what is the probability of HHH occurring in this experiment?
One by 6.
How?
Sir, because the H occurs only 1 time, sir. Triple H.
Triple H comes only once. But
Yeah.
what is the probability? Probability of 3H coming once.
1 by 3.
No. See, what is the all possible outcomes of this experiment?
All possible outcomes of this experiment is HHH, HHT, HTT, TTT.
No.
Sir,
All possible outcomes of the coin being tossed 3 times, several times. What are the different possibilities?
different possibilities.
Because that is the sample space,
Yeah.
But in this case, we are trying to write the problem in a different way, where we are not writing the sequences, but we are telling how many heads and how many tails.
So there are 6 heads, sir.
No, 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 no. See,
Or
the problem,
yeah,
this problem is not different from the previous problem. Coin is tossed 3 times. Now, can you write down all possible type of results or outcome by conducting this kind of experiment? Can you write that? Huh?
I'm writing. I'm
Ah.
writing it.
Tell me.
HTH,
Ah,
HHH,
ah,
THH,
ah,
HHT,
ah,
HTT,
ah,
THT,
ah,
TTH,
ah.
and TTT.
That means how many are there?
8.
Ah. So here,
Okay, then we.
therefore, the
Sir,
HHH,
excuse me.
ah,
1 minute. Yes. Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
but camera is not coming.
Wait. Again, if we off the camera, it's the same, sir. Two.
Yeah, that's why you must keep it on throughout the class. Otherwise, I will not know what you are doing.
If I off the camera once, that blur camera will on, sir. That's the problem.
Yeah, there may be some.
Issues.
You have to select the camera. You know, this what type of camera you are using? The one which is on the mounted on the laptop or what?
Sir, mounted on the laptop, sir. I have not built webcam.
So that this one you have to click the that picture, you know, at the bottom. Video. First is audio, mic, mute is there, mute or unmute. Then
Yes,
there
sir.
is video. So there, if you click that arrow down mark, you will get select the camera and then make it on. If you
Yes,
click
sir.
on the video also, it will come. See, don't switch off the camera even if you want for something, you know. It should be on throughout the class. Otherwise, you know, I will not know what you are doing or this one. It is totally, I mean, it will be in dark.
Yeah, I should buy webcam, sir. Otherwise, it will be the problem. You are using webcam or mounted, sir?
No, what is on the laptop only? That one only.
Yeah.
Separate is not required. Whatever is on the laptop, that is sufficient only.
Not off.
See whether you can rejoin again.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Rejoin once again. Let us see.
Hello. Sir, can you see me, sir?
Illa, no. That video camera light is coming.
Sir, yes, sir.
But anything is covered or it one, or why is that it is
No,
not?
sir, nothing is covered.
Huh.
Nothing is covered, sir.
No, that's why I always write. I'll tell you, this always keep the camera and mic
Yeah.
always on only. If you want to go 1 minute outside or anything also, let the camera be on. Because I will not know whether you have gone or you have come back or what you are doing like that. Nothing will
Yes,
be
sir.
known.
Sir.
So now you have got some idea on how to understand this
Yes, sir. I got
probability. Maybe
Yes,
we will
sir.
continue from this point onwards tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
But see that from tomorrow onwards, keep
Yeah,
your
sorry,
mic
sir.
and the video always on.
Yeah.
In fact, when I am giving that also, I am asking them to make it on only. That you only will be switching it off. Otherwise, it will be on only.
Yeah.
So you must make it on, and you might wait. You see, that's why I asked you to call also,
Yes, sir.
because I found that the several days I will be asking hello, hello, hello several times, but there will be no response from you. So that is because
Yes, sir.
if the earphone is plugged into the computer but not kept in the ear, you will not hear
Yes.
the sound.
Yeah, that's the
So,
problem.
yeah. So therefore, first you have to keep wear the earphone and see that the webcam is also on, and
Yes,
that
sir.
you should not disturb throughout the session, because
Yeah.
the technical
That's-
problems, so many will come.
Yes, sir. From
So
tomorrow, I'll not off, sir.
yeah, please do not switch off. Suppose you want to go down, go somewhere, or some pen or pencil has fallen down, not necessary you have to switch off and
Yeah.
go for picking up the thing like that. Let it be
Yes, sir.
on, so that I will know whether you are there or not and what are you doing like that.
Yes,
And
sir.
you must also respond as I am speaking. You could also say whether it is yes or no, or what
Yes,
is
sir.
you are
Yes, sir.
writing, so that I will actually know what is your difficulty.
Yes, sir.
Now, is going through this 11th statistics book, I found that lot of chapters are there, and I don't think you might have studied them. Then I
Yes, sir.
thought it is necessary to give this elementary ideas. Otherwise, if this type
It
of
will be
problems are,
difficult for us to cope up.
yeah, if this type of problem is given in examination, you will
Yes,
not be
sir.
answered any one of them also.
Yeah, that's the
Even if
problem.
it is multiple choice question also, simply you have to put 1A or 1B like that. But understanding is very, very important. That's why I thought, let me try to
Yes,
give
sir.
as many number of varieties as possible, so that it will become easy for you to recognize this type of problems once
Yes, sir.
this class is over. So that
Yes.
is the idea.
If that AKG is not available also, tomorrow I will go to some shop and buy off, sir.
No, shop also this AKG will be available. See, it is clearly
Yeah.
written on that
Yeah.
earphone, this one, capital letters, big
Yeah.
letter AKB is there. This particular one, it suits for all Samsung, all varieties of mobiles and other things. Some 20 by
Yes.
30 mobiles also it matches.
Yes.
So it has got the mic in between that end and the beginning.
Yes.
So at one side, it exactly comes near the mouth, so that when you speak, yeah, it is always picking up that signal.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Not
sir.
at the bottom. But
Yeah.
I have seen so many things where it is at the bottom. It will not help.
Yeah.
So this is any mobile shop you can see.
Yeah, sir. Tomorrow
There
I'll go.
you ask for AKG, this one handset,
Yes, sir.
earphone,
Yeah.
and then you can also check whether that mic comes in between on one side and full length is the other side wire.
Yeah,
So,
sir.
so that one of them will be nearer to the mouth, so
Yes,
that we
sir.
don't have to hold it in the hand.
Yes, sir. Sorry for the inconvenience, sir.
No, it happens. In fact, I tried to send the mail, it took 1 hour.
Yeah.
And it said there is something, we are not ready, just please wait for the patience. All that thing came.
Yeah.
Then finally, this when this one, I was trying, and suddenly it got connected.
Yeah.
That's how it happened. So with all the difficulty, we should minimize that, so that always keep the mic and the video on. Do not switch off at all.
Yeah, sure.
So that from beginning to end, only at the end only we can switch off.
Yeah, sir.
So that connection we do not know this how many, when it comes, when it goes like that. So it will be difficult. It will be difficult. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow
Okay,
at 7 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
I think by around 6 o'clock I will try to send, because it took 1 hour to send the mail.
Yeah, sir.
today.
No problem. No problem, sir.
Yeah, then when you're ready and call means you must have the earphone in the ear, and
Yeah, sir.
this
Okay.
mic and video camera should be on,
Yeah,
so
sure.
that I don't have to ask number of times hello.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Tomorrow, yeah.
Please.
I'll make sure that I'll on it.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Okay.
So at least today you got some idea of how to work this problem. This particular
Yes, sir.
problem we will do tomorrow. Then you will
Yeah,
understand
okay.
this also.
Yeah, okay, sir. No.
Definitely. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.